V003C, social posting, file sharing, and social reporting. The social posting section is almost identical to the workspace section. You should start building a post in this section if you are ready to post it right away. This is a more immediate section for social posting. You can also view your previous posts at the bottom of this page. Next, we have the file sharing section. After you have integrated ContentScaler with your Google Drive and Dropbox accounts, you will be able to view, download, and upload to your respective account. This section makes it easy to locate and download files on your Google Drive and Dropbox accounts. Finally, use the social reporting section to view reports on the performance of your integrated Twitter, LinkedIn, and GetResponse pages. View ongoing and past engagements, impressions, retweets, likes, shares, followers, campaigns, number of people subscribed and unsubscribed, bounce rates, and much more in this section.